Let me just start off by saying I am not a morning person. I like my bed. I love to sleep in. But let's get ready for this productive morning routine that actually turned into a productive day. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things lifestyle, fashion, and self-care. I don't know about you guys, but buying coffee out every morning gets expensive. So I like to make my coffee at home because Starbucks and Dunkin' adds up, honey. This right here, heaven. Let me start off by saying productive, but maybe not necessarily healthy because I start my morning off drinking coffee and water. After my workout, then I'll eat something, but I really need to get in the habit of eating before I go work out. Please drink your water. If you got to put lemons, lime, you got to put a little juice in it, just drink your water. It is so good for you. I currently do a group workout with ICANN Fitness, and I definitely recommend them if you are in Fort Lauderdale or Miami. They do have 2 locations, the Fort Lauderdale area on University, and they have one south in Miami. As you can see, it's men and women. We work out in the mornings. They do offer lots of classes though. They offer morning classes, evening classes. For my package, I pay $100 a month and I'm able to work out 1 time daily, whatever time it is. And then on Saturdays they have specialty class, and Sundays I think they offer free workout. And they do full body workout. You're going to be working out your back, your arms, your butt, your legs. Listen, you will definitely see progress within the first 2 months. I love them. Don't forget to clean y'all mats. Like, I hate going to the gym because of that reason. Clean y'all areas when y'all done working out. When I first started, I hated these sleds, but honestly, don't tell them, but I kind of like them because you get a good workout from the sleds. I am currently working on my whole body, but I don't have any upper body strength. Like, my upper body strength is weak. Baby, I could lift up a pencil and that's it. But since working out, this is me contemplating life. Like, why am I doing this? They have literally made me stronger, and I freaking love the environment. It's such a friendly family place. Like, you'll have so much fun. Check them out if you are in Broward or Miami. When I get home, I get right in the shower. Baby, I don't play with UTI, with yeasty. Nope. I want these wet clothes off of me. I know my hair's looking a little bad, you know. I just finished working out and my hair was tied down, so don't judge me. I mean, I ain't no Beyonce, but I was killing that Maxwell. This is my relaxing shower. Whenever I want to escape, I do wash my hair. My hair is short, so I could wet it up at least 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm fine. I love the convenience of Instacart. It is literally 1 click away. I have everything preloaded in my cart. So once I hop out the shower, I hit go. Because you know they be texting you, and I don't want you to be texting me when I'm in the shower. Don't be judgy. Please do not be judgy. I have a 3-year-old and my nephew is 4, so whenever my friends or their kids come over, I do have a loaded pantry so everybody could pull a snack. We do also have healthy snacks, so watch it, okay? I know how some of y'all be. Poor Mr. Pineapple didn't stand a chance. I was supposed to juice him. It is now time to work, and unfortunately YouTube is not my main source of income at the moment, so I do have a full-time job that pays my bills. And as soon as I got organized in the kitchen, I jumped right into a call in a meeting that took about 45 minutes, and afterwards I hopped between my computers and I do work, I edit content, I work on YouTube. I just do everything within that time frame. Well, as long as I'm up and I'm focused, I try to get done as much as I can. Y'all may think I have OCD, but I hate spots on the floor. So this is me just doing a little spot cleaning. I had 4 very long meetings that I didn't record because they were boring. I missed my lunch, so this is me making a smoothie. Listen, these little smoothie packets from Publix, amazing. They help you keep up with your weight loss, with whatever fitness goal that you have. I love coconut milk, and all I do, I pour the fruits and veggies into the bowl and I mix it with coconut milk, and it makes the creamiest smoothie, which holds me until dinner time. The goal for this year was to eat healthy, and I promise y'all I failed. I failed miserably at that because I was eating garbage. When I tell you I've been eating bad, I've been eating bad. So I got a couple of these fruity smoothie pouches, put them in the freezer, and I'm going to try my best to start making smoothies, even if I do it before I go to work out in the mornings. Don't ask me how, but I ended up spilling smoothie all over my clothes, so I ended up having to change. And I didn't realize the inappropriateness of this dress until it was time for me to pick up my daughter. This is the best part. I love interacting with you guys. I love replying back to your comments. I literally spend hours sitting down replying back to comments, and afterwards I journal, I write about my day, how I felt today, did I accomplish anything, and I took a nap. Prioritize yourself. If you're able to take a nap during the day, do so. Today I got off early from work and I was able to take a nap before I went to go pick up my child. I know y'all probably wondering why I changed again. But clearly the dress that I was wearing was very inappropriate to go pick my daughter up from school. So I had to put on the more appropriate parent dress to go pick her up, because the dress I had on, baby, it had cooch, boobs, butt. No, we wasn't having it. I can't tell y'all when was the last time I sliced an onion. Anything that makes my life easier, honey. So I love this bag from Publix. They come with onions, bell peppers. I think some have tomatoes. My girlfriend gave me some of her Parmesan seasoning to try. Since we're making pasta, might as well. Making my own cream. Please send me out some Parmesan. Please send me. This will do. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I don't measure a damn thing, as you can see. I don't do measurements. I literally just eyeball it and go with what I know. You gotta flavor it too. Your shrimp just can't have flavor, and your noodles have salt. But your pasta sauce is bland. I'm gonna do that. Push it to the side. It is so creamy. While I'm cooking, I'm also catching up on YouTube videos, and I'm in mommy mode, so I'm playing, laughing. And that is it, guys. That is my productive morning/day. I don't take a nap every day, but please give yourself grace and give yourself time to relax and enjoy your day. Now it's time for me to sit down and eat my food. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things lifestyle, fashion, and self-care. See you guys. Bye.